Plastic Plastic is everywhere. We use it, it's in our daily lives all around. We have massive production of plastic, much of it which is actually unnecessary.
It's a huge problem that everyone should be aware of.
A bottle of water in a river will definitely disintegrate into microplastic, and microplastics can be part of the riverbeds, water. So the river goes to the farms, rice fields, corn fields. So it's like basically farm to table with microplastics.
Scary. Microplastics are even found in a lot of blood clots in the brain or blood clots in our system, in aquatic animals, in the air or in the environment. Like you can inhale microplastics. They're so tiny that you can't even see them. I don't think people are aware that these microplastics can carry certain pathogens and that these can cause antimicrobial resistance.
Antimicrobial resistance is the capacity of a bacteria to resist the action of an antibiotic that previously is able to cure infection due to them.
AMR is considered as one of the main threats for human health by the World Health Organization. It can lead to death.
Imagine a scenario when your daughter or your son or your newborn baby has an infection that typically is cured by antibiotics, but with emergence of antimicrobial resistance, your son or your daughter or your newborn baby will not anymore get cured with the usual antibiotics.
We still need to do more studies to be able to find out how much of these hitchhikers being carried in microplastics will really be detrimental to the health of people in society.
This is a problem of the world. This is a planetary health condition, and we are currently in a crisis.
TULIP aims to study the interaction between plastic pollution, antimicrobial resistance, and climate change.
Finally, people from different epistemic communities, people who would otherwise never see each other. We wouldn't cross paths in a hallway. There's no water cooler that would bring us together. We are now sitting together and getting a sense of what these different scientists do.
By studying it together, we get a more holistic perspective and probably some quite new insights that we didn't think were influential.
Being part of TULIP is an opportunity to have a real concrete impact on the study sites in Italy and in the Philippines, to have a concrete impact on people's life, people's thoughts, and to hopefully have an impact on the environment. So we need to do this for ourselves. We have to do things differently and understand what's our position in the world, and understand that we depend on an healthy planet to actually survive. So it's not only the health of the humans, but it's the health of the animals, the health of the ecosystem, the water, everything that is around it, that we are so dependent to persist as humanity.